Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a girl riding a scooter. First, I'm drawing the girl. She is wearing a helmet. So important to wear a helmet while riding a scooter. Let's draw a flower on the helmet. Look, she is looking around. Now I'm drawing her body. She has a cute dress. Do you love to ride a scooter? I enjoy riding my scooter. And let's draw the scooter. This girl looks so cute with her helmet and dress. She is riding her scooter in a park. Now let's draw a tree here. Finally, I'm drawing the sun. Let's color now. Cream for skin. Don't forget to wear your helmet. It is so much fun to ride a scooter in a park. Pink. Orange. Purple. Pink. Brown. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Fuchsia. Pink. Green. Red. Yellow. Green. Red. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Green. Brown. Yellow. Orange. Blue for sky. Green for grass. Gray for road. Great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.